Hi everyone, it's Erin with Silicon Beach Homes, and I have some great information for both buyers and sellers this week. Let's talk about social media. Is it really important in the real estate world? My answer is absolutely. What you need to know is across the world, people are on social media, whether it be one platform or another, everybody's engaging on social media. The second thing is about social media, it's absolutely free. So with all this engagement on social media, it would behoove you as a seller to work with an agent that's social media savvy. That way that agent can use particular hashtags to get your listing out there across the world for all these people that are participating on social media to see it. So it may reach a pool of buyers that normally it would not be able to reach before. That's why social media is a very important tool for real estate. As far as buyers, social media could be your go-to place to find special coming soon listings or not listed yet or pocket listings simply by searching a specific town's hashtag, such as Marina Del Rey real estate or Marina Del Rey homes. You may be able to come across a listing that an agent has as a pocket that you may not be able to find on other forms such as the web or an MLS. So using social media to buy or sell your home is extremely important, especially now that it's free and so many people that are engaging on it. Cheers to your real estate goals. Thank you for watching. If you would like to work with Silicon Beach Homes, go ahead and reach out to us on the web at siliconbeachhomes.com or give us a call at 424-272-0916. Thank you for watching and cheers to your real estate goals.